Hey guys, welcome back. We're back into the series, same series. We'll be completing this app probably in this video. Not completing it, but yes, improving it largely. And today we'll be using another website, two websites basically. One is Stitch and one is Notebook LM. Notebook LM is basically a place where we can put a lot of data in and it can analyze it well. And it can give it output. For example, if I upload a, you can see, right, I have uploaded a playlist of the Sicilian defense theory, and yes, we'll ask it all the opening moves, all the opening lines to input it in our system, in our own website. And second is Stitch is basically for designing the UI better. Since you can see, it's not that great looking. UI is basically user interface and how it looks, right? So we'll be improving that as well. Um, right. So we were here. Let's move forward. First, what we'll do is create collect all of the data, collect all the opening lines and all of those using, of course, Notebook LM. So wait a minute. See, the problem which lies is not that we cannot get the opening things. The problem which lies is that after a specific order of moves, it's like a tree, right? Like in the previous video explained, it's like a tree. With every branch there are sub branch, and that branch comes after a while, right? And of course there's an end to every branch. So what I'm trying to say is that, for example, this is mentioned from the starting, right? E4 e5, e4 c5, e4 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 e4. But the thing is that it's like a tree, so it hasn't got really the sub lines or the sub branches to it, and we have to add that. So yeah, I'll ask GPT to prompt it out again. All right, so we do have our Stitch design, but it feels more like a trading website, that Binomo thing, right? I hope you can feel this. But yes, we'll be editing it to a large extent. I don't know which color palette to choose, honestly. But yes, this feels fine. Alright, it's up. Wait a minute. Grandmaster Mono, that feels great. Let's do it dark, dark, dark. Let's see how it goes. I'm getting a good vibe this time for some reason. Oh yeah, that's great. That is great. That is great. Yeah, I mean, it's giving the dark mode. Scholarly chess. The name is also great. But anyways, we'll do that. Ah, why hasn't it? Alright, this feels good. This really feels good. I want, I want modify design system dark. I want fog. Why isn't it Save and apply. Come on. Alright, it's going. Okay, so yeah, that is something great. The board color also feels great. I don't know what the fuck. But yeah, the board color also feels good. This is something which I wanted. Right. Nice, 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 nice. So, mm, hey, so instead of cursor, what I used was Google's anti-gravity thing. It's great and it has actually worked. I mean, let me just show you the final output, which is right now. See, this is it. We've got dashboard, we've got study practice settings. अभी settings का बेस तो कुछ बनाया नहीं है. Practice का भी it's just normal like 1v1 thing. Study is also not required. We'll cut these tabs off. But the main learning page is quite good. The only problem, wait a second. The only problem is coming in this phase is that the board size is continuously changing, as you can see. But yeah, the move order down is good. We've got main light, the narrowed off version, and it's also selecting the specific variation. It's also playing the specific variation when we select it. So that's a great success. And success is like these small wins is what motivates me to just continue with these. मतलब वरना तो it's very it sucks actually. But right, uh, it's going good. Let me ask anti-gravity to fix this also. It has done its work. Let's refresh. Okay, so the board is quite big. I don't want that as well because it's getting out of screen. But yes, it is consistent. I like that. Let's copy and paste and copy and type shit. The question now which arises is will the anti-gravity will able to process all of this into its personal space. All right, this is D'Souza. Wait a minute. So these are all of the openings once again. You have to add these variations in Sicilian defense. These are all of the lines, all of the board numbers, the addresses of the moves, the move orders, and the logic behind them as well. So what you need to do is number one, add these all of these openings, all of these variations, and all of the sublines into the into our board, into our app. Second would be that the whole UI, the user interface should be adjusted according to the screen ratio, which is not happening at this point in time. What is happening is that you need to actually scroll the screen to see the full board. and it's a mess, right? The board is bigger than the screen, and you need to scroll to see the other options. So the board should be adjustable, but initially the whole interface should really fit the space of the user screen. Yeah, go on and work on this. All right, one more prompt gone. Sicilian go. Let's see how it goes.
Order quota reached.
Not a problem. I'll log out and log in. Let's hope. All right, this is nice. I like it. I love it. I love it. Dragon, Alpine. All right, nice, very nice. Just that the board is still not. I mean, uh, this should be shifted a bit, but this should be greater. Scholars note should change by everything. But yeah, I mean, it's great, great progress. Love it. Love this. Even the variations work. Love it. I hope they work. Or no, they don't. Alright, this is new move, right? Right. Surely they work. Um, mm, this? No. Alright, new move. Alright, sure. Nice. 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 Very nice. So this move is all like always constant. This? No. Ah, sure. This? Sure. Isn't this supposed to be a threat? Alright, sure. Take. Alright. Here. No. Sure. Here. Alright. Back. Alright. Takes. Sure. Alright. Nice. So yeah. Great. Great. So that is the progress for today. What we've got essentially is this bar at the side of the board, which shows this out of this moves learned and this out of this shit done. That is something great. I mean, sure, sure, nice. I like it. I love it. I love it. Just that this scholar's note should be a bit condensed and Sicilian defense should be a bit big, and you know what I'm saying. But yeah, it's nice. I love it, and sure we'll be continuing this in the next videos. And the limit also crossed for one account. That should be it. That should be the end of the video. But sure, why not? And it's great, great. We're building this, and we will build this. I mean, we're close enough, right? This just need probably like 2 or 3 videos more. Surely you'll be there. The app would be there. It would be released. Probably Sicilian car at least. That I can promise. Maybe. Sure. Yeah. Promise. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you did.